So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have a Motorola smartphone and your Motorola smartphone is stuck after hard reset and you forget your Gmail ID account detail, so in this video I can show you how can you unlock your any Motorola smartphone, like old Motorola, new Motorola. All Motorola models are covered in this method, and in this method we are not using computer and any software, only service center offline method. After that you can unlock your any Motorola smartphone, and in this video I can show you how can you unlock your Motorola smartphone without using any kind of software and any computer. Only 5 minutes you can use your smartphone by using this amazing service center method. So first of all, when you go to the further action, your phone will asking to enter your Gmail ID, okay, but you don't have, you forget your Gmail ID, and then and if you if you use any random Gmail ID, so you cannot unlock your Motorola. So first of all, you have to go back to the first page. When you comes in the welcome page of Motorola smartphone, you got some few options here like languages, vision settings, emergency calls. So you have to select the language section and you have to select the English US, okay. Because of that, the English US, okay, because of that the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same, and after that you have to open the emergency call option. This is very important my friend. You have to use a new code. This is *96073*0* and call this and wait for 2 seconds. After that click OK. Done. Go back and click a start button here, okay. After that you have to remove your SIM tray, okay, and you have to connect only charging cable. Don't connect to the computer, only use charging cable, and click the skip option here. After that you have to connect your smartphone with the internet or mobile hotspot. Click the accept and continue, and you have to connect your smartphone to the internet. When you successfully connect to the internet, you have to go back and find this Motorola privacy policy. So click here to open this and wait for a few moments. After that go to the last option, click here to open this and go down and find this lenovo.com contact. So click here and wait for 2 to 5 seconds. After that the new page comes into your mobile screen, so you have to select the English United States, okay, cross this page and done. Click accept all cookies, and you have to go down, scroll down and find this YouTube logo. So click here to open this, and when your YouTube application has been opened like that, so go down and find this account section, click to sign in, but you can see here this will not work, okay. So click create account, click for my personal use, but you can see here also this not working. So you have to zoom in the page and click to help option and wait. When this help section open, go down, click account recovery option, go up and click there are lots of options, okay. So click so select the can't sign in into your Google account. So click here. You can see here there are lots of options, okay. So you have to click only you can sign in from a third party service, okay, done. Go down and click here sign into your Google account. Click here. You can see here your page will redirect to the home screen. So go back here, go back, go back again, go back, go back. And when your YouTube application open, you have to find the setting icon and click here to open this. Click to general, click to language section, location section, and find here English United States. Okay, done. This is very important. Click history and privacy, turn on last two option and click to done option here. Go back, go back, go back again and open the emergency call option here, and again you have to enter a very unique Google FRP unlocking code, and the code is *#899*0*#. And when you type this code into your emergency call option page, you have to call this page and wait for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5 and done. Click OK, go back and configure your smartphone as usual. So click start. You can insert your SIM tray. Go back, click start. Insert proper SIM tray, click skip. Click more, click accept and continue. And done, my friend. You can see here we got it this skip, a small skip message, means you can easily skip this whole process by clicking this skip option. Click skip again and skip again, and done. Your smartphone is completely unlocked now by using this amazing service center offline method. So you can use this method into your locked Motorola smartphone, any Motorola smartphone unlocked by using this amazing method. So you have to only apply all these methods one by one into your locked Motorola handset, and then after at the end of the video you can use your smartphone as a new smartphone. Okay, so you have to only apply this whole process one by one into your Motorola smartphone, and then after you can use your Motorola smartphone. But if you have any queries regarding this method, so you have to only comment to a specific Samsung model name. Then after our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock any Motorola smartphone at free of cost. So you have to only comment your specific Motorola model name, and then after our team will reach you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to learn how can you unlock your Motorola smartphone. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.